In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and customize SmartArt graphics in PowerPoint. SmartArt is one of the fastest ways to turn plain text into professional, visually engaging diagrams. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or a client, SmartArt helps you communicate ideas clearly using process charts, hierarchies, cycles, and more. I'll walk you step by step through inserting SmartArt, editing text, changing colors, applying styles, and switching layouts. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add your SmartArt graphic. At the top of the screen, click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your slide, including images, charts, shapes, and of course, SmartArt. In the Insert tab, look for the SmartArt button and click on it. A new window will pop up showing different categories of SmartArt graphics. On the left side, you'll see options like List, Process, Cycle, Hierarchy, Relationship, Matrix, Pyramid, and Picture. Click on any category to preview the available designs in the center panel. When you select a design, you'll see a description on the right explaining what it's best used for. Choose the layout that fits your content, then click OK. Once inserted, the SmartArt graphic will appear on your slide with placeholder text. To add and edit text, simply click inside any of the text boxes and start typing. You can also open the small text pane on the left side of the SmartArt by clicking the arrow on the edge of the graphic. This pane allows you to type all your content in a structured list format. Press Enter to add new points, and use Tab or Shift-Tab to create sublevels in hierarchical layouts. Now that your text is in place, let's customize the design. Click on the SmartArt graphic to select it, and you'll notice two new tabs appear in the ribbon, SmartArt Design and Format. Click on the SmartArt Design tab. This is where most of your customization options are located. To change the colors of your SmartArt, click on Change Colors in the SmartArt Design tab. You'll see a variety of color combinations that match your presentation theme. Hover over each option to preview how it will look on your slide, then click the one you like to apply it instantly. Next, you can apply SmartArt styles to give your graphic a more polished appearance. In the same SmartArt Design tab, look for the SmartArt Styles gallery. Here you can choose styles that add depth, shadows, outlines, or even 3D effects. Click the drop-down arrow to see all available styles, and select the one that best matches the tone of your presentation. If you decide that the current structure doesn't perfectly fit your content, you can easily change the layout without starting over. With the SmartArt selected, click on Change Layout in the SmartArt Design tab. This allows you to switch to a different design while keeping your existing text. This is especially useful if you want to quickly transform a list into a process diagram or a hierarchy into a cycle. And that's it. You now know how to add and fully customize SmartArt graphics in PowerPoint, from inserting the graphic to editing text, changing colors, applying styles, and switching layouts. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.